less than the dimension, less than B. And case 4, that is way deeper digit location sa water table, ground water table, that is case 4. And nasa a formula to compute the gamma, the first term. So, I think solve na nila ito, no? I think number 1. Technically, number 2 mo yung wala. No? Tingnan natin equation. So, given a square footing for a building as is 1.25 meters below the ground surface. As a dimension of 1.12 by 1.12. General version is 28 equals above from footing is 1.5. Unit weight given ang gamma dry. Steam gamma sat is 18. So, pila ang transfer charge? Q. That is gamma dry. Nasa buhay. Kasi ito water table wala na. So, transfer charge is 16. Gamma dry times DF. DF na ito is 2.5 na. Pila na siya? That is 40 na. Ito ba 40? Okay. Number 2, compute the ultimate carrying capacity of the soil. First water table at the bottom side of the team. Not water table there. Okay. So, ultimate bearing formula again. Ultimate is 1.3 cc plus Q plus 0.4 gamma B and Y. So, gamma na to, sa rin case, na rin water table. 60 gamma na. Gamma is effective, no? Ito ba? Gamma sa minus gamma sa water. Expose ang bottom supporting sa water table. Okay, so pinay gamma na should be 18 minus 9.80 watts. Ilan siya? Effective, no? For gamma. Ilan? 8? Correct? 8.19. So, in case solve na ito si 1.3. C, question is given 22. And C is, ako na compute na naman, and C is 25.8. Plus 40 times 14.72 plus 0.4 gamma is equal to 1.12 then NY is 11.8 is ito sila actually Kuwara guys 137 so 24. Next is compute the net bearing capacity. So there is water table. The net bearing capacity. So unit is equals to Q ultimate minus Q factor of 16. Tinig na ito, 167. Same naman na, bottom side of the footing. Raise 34 minus 40 divided by unit. Kuha ka sige. Kuha si 442. Next, compute the net carrying capacity of the soil if there is a water table below at the depth of 0.8 meters from the bottom. So the location of the water table is 0.8 meter below the footing of this spring. may water table there. We need to compare this distance or this length to the dimension of the footing. No? Or the dimension of the footing is 1.12. No? So meaning, sa case, case 3, no? Mali mo 1.12. So with that, change ang itong value sa third term. No? Ang value sa third term is naman naman equal na meaning this is gamma, right? This is gamma. Sat, no? So our third term is gamma right times sa linear length, no? 28 plus ano yun na? Yan siya. This is 1.12 minus 0.8. That is gamma sat minus gamma motor. So effective yun na times sa linear length. 1.12 minus 0.8. Ilan siya? And this must be divided by b. Not the third term. Ilan siya? This is million per meter. So with that, compute na ito. Yung mga itagyan ko ni unit kaya ko. So also na ito security rate. So yung formula, it's only that. Kanina, isa. This is 13.7. Okay, so pila. Pila yung isa. Pimig na sa. One 1395.7. Unit ko na ultimate nila na. Unit ko na kita. This is same year pa na. Ultimate minus the surcharge divided by 1,000. Makikita na. 4.5. Kuha lang 4.5. That is case. Now, compute the bearing capacity, the net bearing capacity of the soil. If there's a water table below the 2 meters, so the location of the water table is way deeper na siya compared to sa width of the footing. No? So this is case 4, no? And our gamma, case 4 na siya, gamma is equals to gamma right. Ngayon na kayo tubig, so ganun siya. So gamma right. Okay, so meaning, kung yung value na rin, kaya siya na. This is, ang kanyang value is 3. Ang gamma right. Okay lang. One for 06, 89. Then the unit. What is the right? So discussing the calculation. There is some fun. Square footing is to be assigned to carry an actual load of 61,175 kilograms. The bottom of the footing is 2.5 meters below the ground surface, and the ground over table is located at the bottom of the footing. So assume a general circular. Question number 1 is compute the dimension of the footing using comparison theory. Okay, so given yung dry unit weight, gamma dry, gamma dry. In terms of the temperature. If you multiply this by 921, so it is siya? Ilan as? 18.1. Ilan yung 12 per cubic meter? Ito natin multiply yan ng 18.1. Then, yung isa? 19.2. 19.8. Ito ba? 2.8. Okay. Then, question, last question. 15. 15 ba? Yeah. 15.7. I-convert na natin. So, then, compute the dimension of the booking using factor of 3. So, ultimate, tingnan din ang formula. Natin makompute ng ultimate, no? But again, ang mga technical, gamit mo sila ang factor of safety, gamit mo sila ang factor of safety. Safety is ang gamit lang yung unit, ultimate, factor of safety, no? Wala siya, kasi sure good, no? That's okay, factor of safety. So, to compute for the dimension of the booking, dapat ganit unit is greater sa applied load, no? Greater or equal, no? So, unit, right unit. So, kung masolve si ultimate nyo, no? Given ba mga factors? Ako lang ibutang rin, no? So ultimate na sa, sunod ba? 1.3 crazy 35 no, 15.75 35 straight unit box straight unit okay, so unit to is 18.1 times 1.5 din. Pila? 45.27. Sorry na, 45.27 into na to is 22 plus 0.4 gamma is fictive, no? So gamma sat minus gamma motor. Ano na yung tangya na? PS, kung ano yung ipangita, no? Ano yung ipangita? Dimension. Then NY is 7, 18. Okay? So nag-value sa QCP, no? Kaya masolve na ito. Kaya is express na ito in terms of P. So kailan yung value ng first term? One, two, 1, 7, 1712.54. Okay? Then, ang second term, in terms of B, dali na. Kari. 21.71. Loading mo ba? Boleh 21? Ayun. 71.95 in terms of P, no? So again, wala sure mas technical, i-apply factor of safety, no? So, muna na naging mo, SBC na siya, di ba? SBC. So, divide, nakalimutan na rin. This will be divided by factor of safety nga 3. Ito ba? No? And this value must be greater than or equal to the force applied. No? Okay? This will be expressed in kilonewtons. 600.1 kilonewtons. Okay, so ang kilonewton na multiply by 8.81 divided by and area. No? This is the dimension of this curve. Okay? So with this, na using calculator, solve na ito. Check the nila. So wala na greater than, no? So this is equal na lang. One, bottom one. Okay, so the dimension is 1. So kanina computation is technical computation. Okay, so RC is very using in our computer, di ba? Okay, so kanina is knowledge of computation to arrive with our. Okay, so with that, let's go to CP. Next is compute the ordinary capacity of the soil. Pilas yan. So, one, divided by 3. Wala. Wala class 578. Okay. Ano? This must be subtracted by the proportion or the surcharge. Okay? So, for example, wala. Ha? Okay. So, I think kailangan siya. And then, review na ito ang ano? Para sa inyong Excel ba? Review na ito ang kung sa inyong